Oh yeah. I'm live streaming right now because I'm gonna go to bed. I'll tell you guys why I'm live streaming right now. I'll be right back. Good morning, everyone. We are going to talk about how to be productive. I'm just kidding. I'm live streaming right now because I need some sleep. There's no economic news for tonight except for, well, I don't know. I forget who's speaking. Who's speaking here? ECB. Oh, ECB. Thing. Prat is speaking. Other than that, all eyes on GDP tomorrow at 7:30. That's pretty much it. Oh shoot! Whoops! Yo, yo! How you doing? Yo! Oh man! Oh, I need someone to take my place. Oh man, I feel like a zombie. I feel like I've been doing this for like a year straight or something. Anybody want to take my place and do this every night, 5 days a week? Go to school for me during the day, come back and do it again. Watch my two kids. I'm drinking this beer right here. It's called Mountain Dew. Dude, I need a lot of sleep. I'm not gonna lie. I'm like a freaking zombie. I think the skull behind me is already killing me. Oh man, I wish you guys can entertain me so I can stay up. Oh, it is what it is. I do need my sleep. Not gonna lie about that. I'm really not. God, what's going on with me? Crap. What about what? MY7? What is MY7? Dude, someone just gotta take my place for the night and just live stream and take it over. I wish I could just send a feed to one of you guys so you guys can just manage the live feed for the night. And you can talk about what you're talking about. Oh man. I need someone to take my place. Any takers? Anyone want to take my place for a night? Explain stacking? Oh, dude, I thought I explained about stacking. Didn't I? UJ and Euro screwed us last night. Dude, I got screwed over. I'm not gonna lie about that. That's stupid Spectrum local service provider. For those of you that are in Wisconsin, man, I can't believe what they did. Apparently, I wasn't the only one that got the outages. There's a couple other towns that had the outages too. If for some reason the live stream goes away, then you know that I lost internet connection again, and I probably lose this whole account, and so I wouldn't be surprised. And I know I have not used C-Trader. Okay, Dark Horse, you want me to explain stacking? Where did I start? Stacking. Let's take a look back at Euro. Let me pull up Euro here so you guys can see what, I don't think I need to pull up Euro. Okay. What are my trades right now? You want to see? Yeah, you want to see my trades? Ain't nothing special. I'll just be honest. Nothing special. Still got some. Yeah, I'll show you guys what I'm at. I'm doing crazy stuff tonight. You know why? I'm trying to make back what I lost. I'm negative $2. What was it? Negative $2.60. I am really expecting. What am I gonna say here? What was I gonna say? Yeah. Okay. I'm expecting good news for the GDP and all news tomorrow. That's what I'm expecting. Unless for some reason I see something before, like 5-10 minutes before, then I'll make that quick decision. But other than that, I'm expecting to buy US tomorrow. Okay. Cool. Who was the guy's course you took on Facebook? Okay, I'm having so many. What? Dude, there's this guy. Yeah, you want to know who that guy is? Here's his name. You know what? I'll send you his link. Oh, really? Okay, I was gonna say. I'll send you his link. You guys can check him out. This was back in January when I first started trading. It's on you if you want to pay for his education. I did. I only learned scalping. I did not learn anything else from him, and so I think he does signals now too, from what I heard. And so I haven't been following him as much, but if you want to go check him out, that's the link. If you feel like it's worth the money, go ahead and do it. And so stacking. Okay, let's get to stacking because Dark Horse has been waiting for this. Stacking trades. You go back to Euro. You look at the Euro USD chart. Look back at if you look back at an hour before New York sessions, is he legit? I don't know. I don't want to put his name out there. He does know some stuff. I'll say that, and there's some stuff that he doesn't know. I'll just say that. And so I don't want to give you. I do want to give you an honest answer, but I just don't want to. This is actually YouTube, so he has over 11,000 people on that consistent Forex group. I don't know how many people actually follow him now. And so I don't know. I don't want to say anything bad about him. He did have something good, but if you actually pay for it, you really, I'll just be honest, you're really not learning what you want to learn. I'll just say that. And so there's a reason why I decided to venture off from everyone else and started testing my own skills. And so, well, let's get to stacking here because I'm pretty sure Dark Horse is waiting for this. Yeah, let me talk about Dark Horse. I know you've been waiting for this. I know a lot of people have been waiting for this. A lot of people want to know how I stack trades. It's nothing new. An hour before any session hits. Okay. An hour before the session hits, whether it's London, Tokyo, or do not go with Sydney sessions because the spreads are freaking high. As soon as New York closes, Sydney opens. Guess what? The first 2 hours of Sydney, there's no point. You wait till Sydney collides, intertwines with Tokyo, and then you trade with Tokyo sessions, not with Sydney sessions. Spreads are so high, there's no point. You're risking a lot of money on spreads. So each hour before the session, if you go back and look at the Euro, 6 a.m. I'm just talking about my time here, 6 a.m. Central Time. Look at the Euro USD chart on the 4 hour. I'm going back. Man, I really don't want to pull trading view up and try and start pinpointing charts, but if you look back at the 4 hour chart, 6 a.m. Central Time or 7 a.m. Eastern Time, okay? The ECB interest rate decision was at 6:45 my time. So that'll be 7:45, yeah, 7:45 Eastern Time. So it went down right after the interest rate decision came out. It was like a couple seconds after. Okay. New York opened at 15 minutes right after that. I started stacking on Euro as soon as New York opened. Okay. I was already anticipating bad news from the monetary policy meeting. Some people wanted to wait for the candles. Some people wanted to wait for head and shoulders. Some people want to wait for the Fibonacci retracement, whatever. I don't look at any of that stuff. You guys know the way I trade. I don't look at any of that stuff. Okay? I start stacking. I am a really high risk aggressive trader. You should already know that. You know, here, I'll just show the 4-hour. I'll show you exactly what I looked at when I made that decision to stack on the 4-hour. This should be already a given. Oh, hang on. This is on here. I'm gonna show you exactly what I looked at to start stacking when Euro dropped back. This is top secret, guys. I came up with this. You guys better not share it with nobody. If I ever find out, I'll come find you. No, I'm just kidding. You guys can do whatever you guys want. So here. Oh, shoot. Come on. Where's this stupid thing at? Sorry. I'm just trying to get this. Hang on. My phone's acting up. Why is my phone acting up here? What's going on? Do not like this. Okay, so here. Look at, this is the 4-hour. Look at this doji candle. Look at the fractal that pointed right up. A fractal that points up means it's going to reverse. That candle hit the top of the upper band. Look at how many times it's been up above the upper band. Okay. And then it finally hit the parabolic star on the bottom, created the first dot on top. And that was the long red candle at 7:30. So some people thought it was going to retrace after that. Some people thought that, oh yeah, it's going to retrace back up. I didn't see a retracement. I just kept, I had 13 positions open on a sell. For those of you that were on the chat group on Telegram or on my Google Hangouts, I did live snapshots showing you the live trades. You guys don't have to follow me. You guys do not have to follow every single trade that I do, but it's just the way I trade. What I just showed you is already, it should be enough indication or confirmation to be able to start stacking at the very, very top. Why would you want to stack at the very bottom? Or why would you want to wait for, oh, I need to wait for another confirmation of a candle. I need to wait for my fib retracement, or I need to wait for this. If you're second guessing, that means you're second guessing on the time frame. You want to start following the trend. Quit looking at different time frames and start second guessing with which positions you're going to do. Most people keep asking me the same questions, and I get the same question every time. Like, man, I don't know when to stack this on top or when it's on bottom. You have to know. You really have to know. If you're afraid to stack, I mean, I already showed you. I showed the people here. If you stack, imagine every penny or micro lot, one micro lot at 1 cent turns into $10. If every those, I had 13 positions on Euro sell, and I had 12 positions on a buy on UJ. So imagine if they're all $10. I'm like 200, pretty much almost 200. I would be $250 in profit. So I don't know how much more simplified I don't know how much more simplified I can make it, and I hope what I said now makes more sense. I really do. And if you, I don't know how much more of a confirmation people really need if they're going to start stacking. And and so you should already know an hour prior to the session opens you should already pre-analyze and predetermine your charts to where you're going to take profit and if you're going to follow the trend. If you're not going to do it, then just keep second guessing, and then you're going to go back to different time frames and try and figure out, oh yeah, let me get on this perfect entry. There's no such thing as a perfect entry. Okay. You know, every 3 to 5 pips, I'll go ahead and stack another position. Another 3 to 5 pips, I'll go ahead and stack another position. I'll just keep stacking it. Best time to do it is when it's going to keep going down. So, oh man, I hope what I said makes sense. I mean, if it doesn't make sense, then I don't know. I don't know what a chart to look at here. I'm trying to see. I'm trying to see what a chart to look at. What a chart I really want to look at here. I really don't want to be looking at another chart. Yeah. I use the Bollinger Bands, and you can see that on the 4 hour. If you are using Bollinger Bands, you can see what I was showing before. There was how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4 candles. Well, the last candle was like a doji candle. Okay, it wasn't really much of a close, and then that fifth candle was the red candle that started it after the ECB rate decision. Some people did not see a strong enough confirmation for a sell on that red candle closing, so they thought it'd be retracing. And so it's how people look at it. If they think it's going to retrace, then you end up buying it. But if you bought euro and you thought it was going to retrace, you end up losing money instead. And so I am expecting a little small retracement tonight for euro. I wouldn't be, like I said, I wouldn't be surprised if euro tries to retrace tonight. But I'm expecting GDP to be really strong for the third quarter growth for the U.S. economy. And so I got my eyes on that in the morning. I'll be live streaming that in the morning, unless the internet shoots me down within the next couple hours. I've been having a lot of stupid issues with them already this morning and when I came back from school. So there's a lot of things. Like I said, there's not much focus for tonight. There's not a lot of focus for tonight, and the only thing that's going on for tonight is the ECB Prat or Prat, whatever his name is, speaking. And other than that, all eyes is on GDP tomorrow. And so next week is non-farm payroll. I'm gonna say this to you guys right now. I'm expecting to sell for non-farm payroll. So for those of you that have been following me, remember last month non-farm payroll was good, right? Was positive. Last month before that, it was bad. Last month before that, it was good. Last month before that, it was bad. Last month, okay, so the way I'm saying it is every other month is the same pattern. So I don't know what it is, but it's been the same thing. And so can't go wrong with that. It has not failed me for the past 6 months, and I'm going to go ahead and sell it for non-farm payroll. So yeah, I don't know what it is, but every other month non-farm payroll. Okay. Last month non-farm payroll was good. Guess what? Why would it be good again? You sell it. I'm going to sell it for November. I'm gonna buy it for December. I'm gonna buy for and then I'm gonna sell it for January. I'm gonna buy it for February. I don't know what it is. It's been the same thing. I don't know how to describe it. And so that's the pattern that I've been noticing with non-farm payroll. There was like the last, let's see, when I lost my $26,000 account, I started paying attention to every non-farm payroll, and so it was a pretty crucial event, a pretty crucial day. It's probably one of the most volatile days, anyways, that you should pay attention to. I know some people don't trade it, but you can make a lot of money in that one day, and then you'll be good for the rest of the week. And so that's another tip for you guys in case I never shared that with you guys. So you don't believe me, you can test it out for yourself. Non-farm payroll is not until next Friday, so I don't want to confuse you guys. Not tomorrow. Tomorrow is GDP, so I don't want anyone confusion here. Man, what else? What's up? What's going on? Yeah, I hope that answers your question, Dark Horse. If not, we can get together and do an actual personal one-on-one session. Fuck, I just did like 3 of them already. Oh man, these personal sessions are getting to me, especially like back to back. Yeah, it's in the works right now. I have a lot of PDF files. I have a lot of stuff that I typed out from back in the summer and until now. A lot of people are asking me to. What else they're trying to ask me? Scalping. They want to see the video of scalping. How I scalp. They want to see the PDF file for scalping. There's a bunch of sheets on that I typed out per indicator on the 1 minute, 5 minute, 15-minute chart. What to look for, all that stuff. There's a lot of stuff that I'm doing for the PDF files for this course. Don't ask me about the website. I've been talking to way too many developers already, and so I just haven't found the right person yet. I still need my session. The PDF files are not being shared. I'm being honest right now. They're not being shared. They're going to be exclusive to the nonprofit Forex website as soon as the website gets up and running for those members. I already told some of the people already. I did not share any of those files yet. And so if I was a millionaire, I wouldn't be live streaming like this every day. Why would I? You know? And so there's a lot. Yeah, there's a lot to look at. Plus I gotta look at the server and the hosting and all that stuff next week. Oh man, looking at the LLC, nonprofit name for the state of Wisconsin. It's licensing and insurance. And so there's a lot of stuff I need to put money on. So yeah, it is a lot of stuff. I'm not gonna lie. It's a lot of stuff that I'm already been cramming on here. And so I'm just gonna live stream for like 10 more minutes and then I'll be out. I'll be ready for 6:30 or 6:45 in the morning before New York opens, and be ready to buy. Be ready to buy US. Unless if I see something different, then I'm gonna expect. I'm gonna expect to make some changes, and so. Oh man, crazy stuff. Yeah, I know, man. It's crazy, dude. That's what is it? A week from today, I'll find out my blood test results, or they're gonna test my blood. Fuck, where do I live? Send you an email. Oh, Life for Coins giving away something for free. Awesome. Congrats to you. I live in Wisconsin. If you ever want to come out here, let me know. More than welcome to come by. Oh yeah, that's right. Um, crap. Oh, awesome, man. What's going on? Crap. I'm gonna contact five of you guys. I, I was gonna do today. Dang it. I'm gonna contact five of you guys for those of you that have been subscribing. Damn, for the Bitcoin giveaway. Um, please make sure you have a Bitcoin wallet. I had to, if I have to specifically spend time for you to set up your your Bitcoin wallet, I'm moving on to the next subscriber. End the story. And for those of you that don't know what Bitcoin is, go research it. How's the food there? Um, I don't know. My wife made me some food. I don't know. I had some Asian food. Had some soup. Did I resolve with my new broker? I did have a talk with the broker. They don't charge. I guess they said that for since they charge me that much, they won't charge swap fees. But it is what it is. And so I recommend everyone to get Bitcoin, um, whether you like it or not. It will be the future of online payments, and the way Bitcoin is right now, I recommend each and every one of you to invest. I know they charge. Here's the thing: I don't want to keep jumping from brokers to brokers. I did have a long talk with them. I did have a long live chat with them, and so I'm just gonna stick with them. And I just don't want to keep going back and forth. I mean, yeah, I know they charge a lot. So the one-on-one session, if you want a one-on-one session, you just gotta message me. I put my email down here. You just gotta message. You just gotta send me an email. Send me an email. Say that you're interested in doing one-on-one. Like I said, I'm willing to talk for 30 minutes. Willing to give 30 minutes of my time, and you can ask me anything. I'm dead serious. You can ask me anything. And so I talked to, oh my gosh, I don't know, 30, 30, I don't know, 30 people already with this already. So I mean, I know I got some more requests, but I just got to tone it down right now. So what? No, you don't have to. You just have to email me, and all we gotta do is Skype. That's it. All we gotta do is just Skype. Yeah, email me. I can. You just got to email me because there's too many people requesting on a live chat where I get too confused. So email me. My email is on the video description here. If you actually look at the video description, I'm not. Send me an email and I will get back to you and we can talk about a time when we can get together and talk for 30 minutes. And so yeah, for sure. Yeah, anytime. Just email me and then we can figure out time and then we can talk. So like I said, I just gotta get back with some of the people that wanted to talk today that couldn't make it, and so I need to start making a list. That's what I need to do. There's a list of people that are trying to get onto this one-on-one session with me. I don't even trade. Cross pairs, cross pairs, cross pairs. CAD JPY. I do not trade. Daniel, I do not trade CAD JPY. To be honest, I don't. I think Canada is. I don't even know if I even have it on here. Check it out. CAD JPY is an overall downtrend. Damn. Well, I mean, that's just the way I see it for CAD JPY. Oh man. Yeah, for sure. I do need to go get some rest. Um, sorry. Yeah, I don't I don't trade. I don't right now. I'm trying not to trade cross pairs because the LQDFX ECN account they charge 7 times the commission. The only good thing I got out of them is that they're not going to charge me swap fees, so that's a good thing. Man, the only lowest spreads is Euro and JPY, and it's at 3 spreads. Everything else is like six and up on the spreads. I'm just being honest. I mean, I'm not even going to trade gold on this account. The spread on gold is 30. If I'm going to do that, I am risking, man, I'm risking like pretty much almost half the account on free margins. So it is what it is. So I'm gonna, like I said, if you want to ask me more questions or have a personal one-on-one with me, email me. I'm gonna be getting off here in 2 minutes. So um, yeah, I know the commissions are kind of high. So I'm actually just gonna stay with them. Um, I'll stay with them until something really happens, then I'll leave them. But they're regulated. Um, with the withdrawal process with Bitcoin, it's faster than FinPro. They say that they. I wish I can do IC markets. I'm not gonna lie, I can't. You know, living here in the United States, we're stuck on CFTC regulations and all this other crap. So obviously, I can't do anything. I can't go to XM. I can't go to FX Pro. I can't go to HYCM. I can't go to Cypress. I can't go to all these other brokers that are regulated offshore. And so I tried IC markets. They told me they won't accept me. So trust me, I did a lot of research when I lost my money in Cherry's Way. Try to look for the next best broker. Can't do it. LAX? Who's LAX? Who's LAX? Dark Horse? I never heard of LAX. Octa FX, they won't accept me. FX Glory will accept me, but I'm not gonna test them out. To be honest, I'm not gonna test them out. Yeah, they're not gonna test them out. What? What is LMAX? I never heard of LMAX. Who are you talking about, Dark Horse? Got like 2 minutes. I'm gonna log off here. It's midnight. Oh, it's an exchange in UK. Talked to a guy today that says very good. You talking about LMFX? You're talking about LMFX. I used them already. Like I said, I don't want to keep jumping from broker to broker. I tried many brokers already. I'm just gonna stick with LQDFX. I know the commissions are high, but after they charge the commission, everything's all yours. And so I rather pay the commission than pay 20, 30 in spreads. So uh, sure. Yeah, you have a good night, Daniel. Yeah. I need to go get some sleep. I'll be up in 6 hours for the GDP live session. Those of you that are going to be a part of it. Like I said, I'm expecting to buy US dollar. I mean, yeah, US pairs. So I'm expecting good news for the US. Obviously, there's no point standing up for London sessions. I don't expect anything much. It'll probably be a consolidation. So and so yeah, I'm just gonna stick with LQDFX. I know they charge high commissions, but after that, I mean, everything's all yours. And so and they told me they're not willing to charge me swap fees. And so who's opening up? Oh yeah, thanks for sharing, Kenny. I'll be looking into it for sure. And so if there's no more questions, for those of you on the chat group, feel free to message me. I'll still be up. I got some things I need to finish up here. And if you do want a private session, I'm willing to offer 30 minutes of my time. We can talk. You can ask me anything you want. And so you just got to email me. My email is on the video description here for this live stream. So other than that, other than that, I'll be ready in 6 hours for that New York sessions. So I appreciate you guys. I'm gonna try and get 5 of you guys for the Bitcoin giveaway. If you guys don't want Bitcoin, I don't know what else to give you guys. Bitcoin is like the most fastest way to give. If I had to send gift cards, I know most of you guys are from different countries, so sending a gift card ain't gonna do it. So I'm pretty sure you guys don't want me to know your mailing address either. So, well, that's on you guys though. You want Bitcoin? Hang on. Who wants Bitcoin? Man, you know what? Whoever the first 5 people that message me right now will get Bitcoin. That's it. I was gonna try and find the 5 people, but I'll just make it easier. Man, I'm getting tired. So you want candy? The real candy? Oh man. Um, hang on. I know some of you just said you want Bitcoin. I might just pick you guys right here. Who said they want Bitcoin? No, I saw you. I saw you. Who said they want Bitcoin? Roger. Hang on. I'm gonna take a snapshot of this. Take a snapshot of this. You guys just might end up winning Bitcoin for just saying you want Bitcoin. I'm not gonna lie because man, I've been stressing my brain out all day. I'm trying to figure out about this stupid crap with a website, nonprofit, business license, all this stuff. Been on my case. I haven't really had time to actually pick out the winners at all this week. So let me take a snapshot here. I know some of you guys said you guys want Bitcoin. Let's see here. Who said Bitcoin here? Doo-doo-doo. I'm just gonna take snapshots. This would be easier. A lot easier. And then I will send Bitcoin to you guys. All right. What? Oh, you did call me? Hang on, let me when did you call me? Oh, I'll get with you, Tim. Hang on. But yeah, I took a snapshot for those of you that said you want Bitcoin. That's so much easier than trying to pick 5 people. So trust me, oh my gosh, I only had ever since that stupid internet went down last night, I only had like maybe an hour of sleep, to be honest. I was frustrated with them all freaking night. I only had maybe an hour of sleep, and then I took like a 30-minute nap before I went to class. It's basically only, I've been up for almost 20 some, I don't know, 20 some hours. It's crazy. So I can't even focus, to be honest. Do not send me your wallet. I took a snapshot so I can message you guys one by one, okay? So do not send me your wallet address, okay? Because you could be sending it to the wrong person here. So just be careful about that. So yeah, I know. Yeah, I'll message you guys. Those of you that were asking for Bitcoin. I think that's 5 people. If not, then I'll look for another one. But I think that should be enough. So, man, other than that, I will be up in 6 hours. Who do I have? I'm with Coinbase, but it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. Like I said, it doesn't matter which Bitcoin exchange you have. I'm paying the fees for the transfer. So you're not paying the fees to receive it. I'm paying the transfer fee to send it to you guys. So that way you guys get the full price. Okay? So if you do get charged a fee, let me know. I will get back with Coinbase so they can fix it. So that's if people are up for that challenge. Like I said, next year I want to be able, instead of giving with Bitcoin, I want to be able to fund people's live accounts out of my own pocket. I want to be able to do that next year. Hopefully I get the website up and running so we can get this going. So instead of giving Bitcoin away, I fund people's live accounts. So that would be something pretty cool, something I always wanted to do. So especially for this nonprofit that I'm going to do here. But yeah, I'll see you guys in 6 hours. I'll be ready for the New York sessions for the GDP. And I'm going to message you guys, not tonight, tomorrow. I'm going to look through those snapshots that I took on this live chat here. So be ready. I'm going to private message you. And if you don't respond back within 24 hours, I think that's a given good time. Within one day, I'm moving on. So I had some people that didn't respond back to me within a day and they lost it. So I'd say 24 hours is a reasonable amount of time for you to respond back to me. And then you can send me your Bitcoin. And then you can send me your Bitcoin wallet address. So as soon as I hit 3,000 subscribers, I really don't really, like I said, I mean, I will try and do a giveaway every week anyway. So it is what it is. So like I said, we will talk about LQDFX. I'm going to message you, Coin99. So I will see you guys in 6 hours. And I will contact you guys tomorrow. So that's all I got for you guys. I don't really need a lot of subscribers. I wasn't really shooting for a lot of subscribers, to be honest. But now the momentum has shifted, and so there's more to it than just YouTube. I'm just gonna tell you that right now. There's more to it than just YouTube. So that's all I gotta say. I need my sleep. I've been cramming a lot of time here. So no, I understand. I understand what you're saying. I understand what you're saying, but there's a lot more that I want to do than just YouTube. YouTube has started me to gain a lot of traction. Don't get me wrong. I'm still going to do it, not as much once I get the website up and running and my nonprofit business up and running, and want to tie it all together. And so, trust me, I am sacrificing a lot of time for this, and if I'm going to sacrifice more time for the nonprofit, and there's a lot of things with this nonprofit. So a lot of people got a little bit of taste of what I talked about, but there's more to it. And so I haven't talked about the full potential of what I want to do with this nonprofit and the website itself. And so there's a lot of stuff I'm digging into to make it better, to keep upgrading, and to make sure that you guys are that I can give more back to you guys somehow, some way. So please try to think about. I did talk about a condition that I have for my health problem, and so I don't know how long you've been following me, but I have a health condition, and so in a week from now they're gonna test my blood, and every 2 weeks from there they're gonna try and retest it again. So it's been ongoing. I did suffer. I went to the hospital last week. I think it was whatever, 2 weeks ago. And so I finally recovered. And this is a big mission, a really big mission for me to make things, to make a difference and to make a bigger impact in the Forex industry. So YouTube is just part of it. There's much more than just YouTube, and you'll see it when I finalize everything. And so like I said, a lot of people are like praying for me, and they feel sorry for me. I understand that, and they gave me a lot of support already. But like I said, when my time goes, then my time goes. You know, if today's my last day to live, then today's my last day to live. And so I'm not saying like I'm going to kill myself or anything, but it's because of what I have. And so I haven't been back at my own fitness level, and my body's not in shape the way it is. So um yeah, so a lot of people are trying to send me like different things to look at, supplements, try to see what if I can stay healthy. And so there's a lot that I haven't been focusing on for myself since I've been focusing too much on here and for you guys. So I had to I had to take a step back and take a step back. And so be able to be I spend more time here than anything else. You guys know that. I spend 80% of my time here, and I spend less time with my wife and kids. So I a lot of people are telling me that I should go spend more time with them if my time comes. So I don't want to make it emotional for anyone. Like I said, I was emotional the last other videos, and I don't want to make it any more emotional than it is. And so, like I said, I'm gonna keep going. I'm gonna keep striving, and whatever it is, I hope they find out whatever it is. I hope it's nothing major, but if it is, then you guys won't see me much because I'll probably be doing a lot more appointments with the hospital instead. So whatever it is, I hope they find out what it is. I don't know what it is. So whatever it's in my blood, they'll find out. So it is what it is. So appreciate it, guys. Yeah, like I said, I'm not just giving away a lot of stuff because I want to. There's a huge reason why I'm doing it, And so, you know, yeah, there's a huge reason why I'm trying to do what I'm doing by the end of this year. Next year can be different. I am if next year changes, then it changes. So I'll be up in 6 hours. I'll be ready with you guys to go live with the New York sessions. And so I'm expecting good news for US. If not, if something changes within that first 15, 20 minutes of before the news releases, then I'm gonna have to make my decision from there. So other than that, I took those snapshots. I'll let you guys know about the photos. Yeah, the Bitcoin giveaway. And if you do want a private session, email me. I have not eaten any organic. The doctors told me to stay away from they told me to stay away fat foods, greasy foods, a lot of red meat. They want me to stay away from red meat, alcohol. They want me to stay away from alcohol. I'll be honest right now. They want me to stay away from alcohol. Even this soda is not good for you. I'm just drinking it just so I can stay up for a bit. High contents of sugar is not good for me. That's what they said. Man, they gave me some, I don't know, man. They gave me some whack ass medication to take after I came out of the hospital. I said, no way, I'm not taking that. So, yeah, I mean, a lot of people are saying I should go vegan. I should just start eating vegetables and just stay on like a really, really strict diet. I don't know. I really don't know if I really want to, but a lot of people are already suggesting me. And so it is what it is. Yeah, I know Mountain Dew is not good for you. I'll be honest, it's not good. I'm just trying to stay up. So I got some last minute things to finish up here before I knock out. Other than that, I mean, yeah. Other than that, I'll hit you guys up, the 5 guys that wanted Bitcoin tonight, and I'll be ready in 6 hours. So feel free to email me if you want the 30-minute private session. There's no cost for it. It's free out of me. So you can ask me anything you want out of this 30-minute session. Doesn't matter to me. So will you share with us? Will you share with us to watch? What? You can go ahead and tell the doctor. I don't care. You don't know my doctor. Will you share us to watch you eat vegetables? My gosh, I'm more of a meat person. Man, I don't know. No, like that. I have not ate any vegetables lately, so yeah, I know I should try and stay healthy. I have not been healthy for the past year. I'll be honest with that. I've not, and so my health's gone to crap. And so it may look like it may look like I'm healthy, but inside my body is totally different. It's totally different. It's not the way it used to be. So, oh man. So yeah, I gotta stay away from fat, greasy food and red meats and all this stuff. So I don't know. I won't know anything until next Thursday, till they draw my blood, and hopefully it's nothing crazy. And so if it is crazy, then I don't know if I want to make it viral or public to anyone. So I really don't know if I want to let anyone know. So if whether it's good or bad, I won't let anyone know. I'll just say that. Whether it's good or bad, I won't let anyone know. I want to keep a straight face and keep things more positive, and I don't want anyone to worry about where my life is going, to be honest. My wife and kids can't worry about that. You guys have a life to live. And so you guys have a life to live. You guys got family, you guys got friends, you guys got, kids. And if not, you guys have your own life to worry about. And so even like I said, if that day comes, all this stuff is going to be here. And I'll make sure that every file that I came up with for the website will be uploaded. So I don't know what that is, man. Really don't know what that is. Come to Hawaii, eat that. Goats are loud. I did eat a goat in I think it was in Afghanistan or Iraq when I was in the Marine Corps. So they're not bad. They're actually pretty good. Um, I forgot what else I had over there. I had some pretty good stuff over there. I had some pretty good soup, some corn, some other stuff. More than that, I need to get going, and I gotta finish up some homework here and some other stuff for the website developers that are asking me for more stuff. So I will be I will be up and running and within 6 hours for New York sessions, and I will email those 5 of you guys. I did not drink its milk. It was some kind of soup, so that's all I know. So I'm logging off here. I will be up and running in 6 hours, okay? And I appreciate you guys following. I appreciate you guys support. I mean, every single one of you guys. And so, what am I doing for what? Obviously, I'm still buying UJ and still selling Euro. Yeah. Do not, do not, do not go crazy. Please don't. So, um, yeah, I will see you guys. Thank you guys. I appreciate it. I mean, like I said, I'm still in the chat group with you guys. If you guys want to chat, we can chat too. Um, if you want the Telegram chat group, please email me. I forgot to put it on the video here on the video description, but you can email me. I put my email on here. And so I can still add, there's no limit for the Telegram chat group. So, and if you want a 30-minute private session with me, ask me anything you want, email me. I will try and set up a time and we can talk about that one-on-one. And you can ask me anything. I'll be honest, you can ask me anything. So, um, and I will message those 5 of you guys that took snapshots off this live chat for that Bitcoin giveaway. Yep. You guys have a good morning. It's already midnight over here, so an hour and a half to London. But there's nothing going on for London that I'm seeing, and all eyes on GDP tomorrow. So the guy has great teeth. I don't know. My wife wanted to decorate the office. I said no. So, hang on. You guys want the chair? I'll just do this. Here you go. Telegram chat group if you want to be a part of it. All right, guys. I will see you guys in 6 hours. I'm surprised I'm still talking to you guys. So read the video description. I will email 5 of you. I will message those 5 of you guys that won the Bitcoin. We'll be ready. What? Skull with a flower. Oh man. Nah. It's still Halloween's not done yet. Halloween's on Tuesday. When Halloween's done, then I'll switch it out for a flower. All right, I'll see you guys.